Today we present to you fusilli with pepper pesto, a delicious and colorful dish that brings the flavors of Mediterranean cuisine directly to your table. Ingredients: 320 grams of fusilli, 2 large red peppers, 30 grams of pine nuts, 1 clove of garlic, 40 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 20 grams of grated pecorino cheese, about 80 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh basil, a small bunch. Start by washing and cleaning the peppers, removing the seeds and inner filaments. Cut them into pieces and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with a bit of oil and a pinch of salt, and bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are tender and slightly caramelized. In the meantime, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook the fusilli according to the package directions for al dente pasta. Remember to save a bit of the cooking water before draining the pasta. Toast the pine nuts in a pan without adding any fat until they are golden and release their aroma. Once the peppers are ready, take them out of the oven and let them cool slightly. Place the peppers in a mixer along with the garlic cloves, toasted pine nuts, parmesan, pecorino, basil, salt, pepper, and part of the extra virgin olive oil. Blend until you get a creamy and homogeneous mixture. If necessary, add some pasta cooking water to make the pesto more fluid. Drain the fusilli al dente and reserve a bit of the cooking water. Pour the pepper pesto into a large pan, add the pasta, and mix everything over low heat. If the sauce is too thick, add some cooking water to make the dressing softer. Serve the fusilli with pepper pesto hot, perhaps with an extra sprinkle of grated cheese and some fresh basil leaves for garnish. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Fusilli with pepper pesto are an excellent example of how the sweetness of roasted peppers perfectly marries with the savory flavors of cheeses to create a unique balance of flavors.